Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through a huge Disney Primark haul, so keep watching to find out what I got. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through a huge Disney Primark haul. It's one of my favourite hauls to do because I'm a huge Disney fan. If you watch some of my other videos then you'll know how big a fan I am, and you can check them out after this video to make sure that I definitely am. But I do loads of these hauls and I thought I'd see what's new in Primark. If you're new to the channel then welcome guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you're not new, welcome back and let's get started on this really fun Disney haul. So I'm going to start with my favourite and I'm going to end with another favourite because, well, actually they're all my favourites, but let's just get started. I saw these and I just had to have them. There were a few different kinds of flip-flops in the Primark that are all Disney related. There's an Ariel pair, there's like Minnie Mouse, but one of my favourite characters is Little Marie from the Aristocats, and that's why I picked up these because they have Marie all over them. They're so sweet. They also have this like black and white polka dot, and then the actual like flip-flop strap itself is this like lovely clear strap with like silver glitter inside as well. I thought they were kind of like fun and Disney, but they're kind of like adult appropriate as well. I wouldn't look like a too childish walking around in these because I am 25, although everybody who loves Disney, it's like you're a kid at heart and you're never too old for Disney, as they say. Peter Pan, I live by his motto, never wanting to grow up. Anyway, so back to the flip-flops. You would not believe how cheap these were. I'll tell you right now. €3, I know, like €3, so $1.50 a shoe. I got them in a size large because I am a size kind of 6 to 7, so I thought the large would be a nice fit because you don't want to get too small because sometimes it can be really sore like on your feet, you know, when you're walking around, especially in the sunshine. If you're going to be sweating and stuff, you don't want anything that's going to hurt those little tootsies. I'm actually wearing a Primark top at the moment in case you guys like it. I picked it up recently. It's a little kind of crop top. I did feature it in my last video, one of my last videos, my summer haul, so you can see it there and see how much it is. Moving on to the next item, I got a bargain in pennies. I got a couple of bargains. This is one of them. Actually, I got 3 bargains. This is one of them. It's of course the genie frame, and of course we know that well, maybe you don't know that Disney and Primark have a huge like Aladdin range. I love it, like Princess Jasmine, and the genie is featured very heavily, and I absolutely love this little genie frame. How cute is he? So this genie frame was reduced from €5 to, wait for it, €2. So I only spent, between the two of these, they were only a €5, so bargains in Primark. So I'm gonna pop my little face in here and then I'll be just like the genie, or maybe I'll have to give it to somebody else. But I think I might keep it for myself because it's so cute, and for only €2 I literally could not leave it behind. I thought it was so gorgeous. So the genie frame is the first actually Aladdin piece I picked up. Oh no, I actually picked up the big beach shell, which is all like Princess Jasmine and really pretty pink. So I absolutely love that as well. That's one of my favorites. So that was in a recent haul as well. So many Disney hauls, so little time. Another little bargain that I picked up is this Lumiere little coin purse. How sweet is he? Again, everything is so sweet, but literally it is. His bottom kind of like wobbles a bit. It's attached by a little kind of ring down the bottom there. So you have this feeling of like Lumiere moving, like be a guest, be a guest. Put your service to the test. Oh my god, I just realized I'm gonna have so much fun with this little guy. So his little coin purse opens here, and the actual little ring, key ring, is a little flame. How cute is that? He's actually stuffed. Let's see how much room is in there. Oh yeah, not bad. So if you didn't want to store your coins in here, you could use this for anything. Your earrings, your bracelet, your mini sum-sums, Shopkins, whatever you might collect, or ring. Did I say rings? I think I said rings. Something that you could pop in here really easily, and it's great to get at it as well. And this was only, it was reduced from €6 to, let me just get the receipt. I can't actually remember how much I paid for this. I know it wasn't very much. Let's see. Lumiere coin purse was only €2. Oh my god, I can't believe that was only €2. So it was reduced from 6 to 2, so that is great. When I saw it in the reduction section, I was like, I need a Lumiere in my life. So that was only 2, this is only 2, 4, and then 3, that makes 7. So only €7 spent so far. Oh my god, guys, I'm doing so well for the Disney Primark. That's what I love about Primark. They're making Disney so affordable for our big Disney fans like me out there who want all the Disney little items, but we don't want to spend those big Disney store prices. So the next item, and I thought this was so cute because I'm a big cap wearer myself, and it is this gorgeous little Mickey Mouse embroidered on the front of this black peak cap, and I picked this up because it was only €5. So I thought that was really cheap, and I love black caps. I cannot get enough of them. I literally been living in another one recently, and it has like 2 little rings at the front, but I've been living in that, but I thought it was time for a little upgrade, so I thought this would be perfect, and it's Disney themed, and next time I go to Disney World or Disneyland, this will be a perfect little cap to bring with me in case it gets sunny or I have a messy hair day. Who knows? So let's actually try. I'll try it on for you guys. Hopefully you won't mess up my hair too much. Oh, that is cute, isn't it? I have a little mirror over there. Let's see. Oh yeah, I like it. Oh, I'm so glad I picked that up. Okay, is the hair all right? I think so. Moving on to the next item, and I said I'd save my fave for last, so I'll have to move on to this one. And this is another bargain and one of my favorite characters. Yeah, you guessed it. It is, of course, Marie. How gorgeous is she? It's a Marie mug, and it is like the full Marie head. This is like literally, you've got the big bow at the back there. Look at the size of this mug. It's actually quite large. Big huge handle, her face there, it's all like little porcelain. It's actually very well done, and this was reduced from €7 to €3. I had to make sure I was holding up 3 fingers there. I thought I only had 2 for a second. So €3 for this. So this was with the little Aladdin genie frame. So when I saw the 2 of them, I was like, yeah, please, I need to have this. I have the original other Marie mug that says I'm fabulous on it, and I love that as well. But I thought you could never have too many Marie items in your life, and I thought this was really cute. It'll be a great one for hot chocolate because there's so much room in there. So hot chocolate, marshmallows, yum. Definitely a bargain that I had to have in my life. So I'm so excited about that one, and I think that is really cute. Okay, moving on to another item. I think this item will be perfect for your next trip to Disneyland or Disney World, or if you're just a huge Disney fan and you want to show the world that you're a Disney fan every single day, then this is a perfect little item. But I picked it up for my next trip. Oh my god, like you would literally pay about like $25–30 for something like this in Disney World or Disneyland, and it has all the characters, the originals. You've got Mickey, Minnie, you've got Donald Duck, you've got Goofy, you've got Pluto, and then you've got Daisy Duck at the end in the lettering of D-I-S-N-E-Y, Disney. I think I just made up my little own theme tune there. And this was only €6, so I can't believe that was only €6. I thought it was at least €8 or a tenner. So that is an absolute bargain. As I said, you would pick this up for way dearer in the actual parks. It's got a little turn up on the sleeve as well, which actually makes it look a little bit more expensive as well. And it's a lovely white colour. I got this in a size 6 because it is kind of like a large fit. Look at that, it is quite large. So if you put this up to me, I would say, well, you can't see my bottom. But yeah, a 6 would be perfect. I don't want things too big. But of course, you could get an oversized one and kind of like tie it up in a crop top. You may even be able to tie the smaller sizes up, or 6 or an 8. So if you see this, they have so many other Disney kind of clothing items in there. But I thought this was like a classic Disney item that I had to have in my wardrobe, and I am so excited. I think I'll definitely be pairing it with the hat as well for my next trip. How cute will I be? I'll literally be like a little Disney freak in the park, and I can't wait. Okay, so moving on to the last item in my Disney haul, but one of my favorites. I think this is my favorite of the whole haul, and I saw it last time I was in Primark and I didn't get it, and I don't know why. I went back and I was like, I have to have it. Ta-da! It is this gorgeous rose gold Minnie Mouse hanging mirror, and this is from the Minnie Mouse range, which I absolutely love because again, it incorporates lots of pink, black, rose gold and white, which I love. And I don't know if you can tell, I have some little rose gold items over there, little rose gold items over there in my room. I just done it up recently, and the theme is like grey and white and rose gold, so I thought this would be a perfect little addition. So I'm actually going to take it out and show you guys. Let's see how much it was. This was only €7, so that's actually quite good for a Disney item, especially like a homeware item, and it looks a lot more expensive than €7. How cute is this, guys? Oh my god, look look at that. It almost looks like a little like hand painted bow here. You've got the kind of like, it's like an illustration effect. It's a little bit messy, the bow, the way the pink isn't over the whole lot of it, but I like it because it looks more like arty and fun. And of course you've got the little kind of chain here at the back as well. The back of it is actually this like black velvet as well. So it doesn't just look like a cheapy L mirror, it actually looks like quite expensive for €7, less than a tenner for this, guys. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to find out where to put it in my room. And you know what, I actually have loads of mirrors. My wardrobe just got done up and I've got 3 big mirrors and that, so I'm not sure if I actually need another mirror. But what I was thinking was I could take the little chain off and make it like a coaster for the edge of my bed. So something that you can put your drink on. A very fancy coaster, I know, but I thought it'd be really cool. And I'm so glad I picked that up. So for €7, a bargain. Primark, you are just killing it with the Disney stuff. I absolutely love it. And that's it, guys. That is my Disney haul. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog. If you have, then please do let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and comment below and let me know if you've liked this video, and I'll keep making more fabulous videos like this. I may give you a shout out if you comment below as well, so don't hesitate to comment, and I will see you again real soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.